Hello everybody, we're still here in the integrations tab, and right now we are exploring all the three types of integrations we have. All right, so first step is installing Popconvert. We just have the apps and the script. We have already spoken about it, and we want to add more logos here. So yeah, you'll be seeing more logos featuring here. Email validation. So right now we work with Validity. This is a partner of Popconvert. We're going to add more options of email validations. Here we have our own email validation right now, API already in place. You can always reach out to us and we will be getting this available for you. And here you can integrate to your email marketing CRM tools, your favorite one. All right, so everything you need to do is selecting one of them. Yeah, once you select one of them, you will get to a setup integration page like this, where you add your URL, your secret ID, and then later on you can define exactly the names of the fields that you want your data to be sent to. All right, all the integrations work like this. So basically, subscription URL. So you want to send to ActiveCampaign, to MailChimp, or any CRM or email marketing tool, in which URL your user was browsing in the moment they decided to subscribe. Yeah, this is very useful because later on you can segment them by this URL. You can find product pages, you can find UTMs that can be very handy. So you just need to check in your ActiveCampaign fields list in how is the subscription URL, and then you need to type it here, copy and paste exactly the same. So if you have like a URL registration, let's say that it looks like this, it needs to be exactly like this, you know, just exactly. Just go there to your ActiveCampaign, copy the name of your URL registration field and pass it here exactly as is shown there. The same for gender and the same for the coupon. The coupon is very important. You know, of course, the date of the subscription we won't be sending because it's automatically the user subscribes in the pop-up and we automatically send it. So it will arrive as a new lead in your ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, HubSpot, whatever CRM or email marketing you use. You have this date as well. All right. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always get back to us. All right, whenever you feel everything, you click on Finish Integration and it will be finished. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.